Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now there is a question in asked frequently that why as a dentist we need to know about nutrition. So we as a dentist should know about nutrition so that we know that the how the particular dental treatments like root canal therapy or any kind of like implants etc. have what are their effects on the nutritional status of the patient. And then comes carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is the major macronutrient. It is the macronutrient. So it is basically the major source of energy, and you should remember that it how much energy it provides. It provides 4 kilocalories of energy per gram. Now, in what forms it is present in the body? In our body, it is present in the form of glycoproteins and glycosaminoglycans. Then, how in what form carbohydrates are stored in our body? Carbohydrates in our body are stored in the form of glycogen. So, main source of energy, 4 kilocalories of energy per gram, store present in the form of glycoproteins and glycosaminoglycans, and stored in the body in the form of glycogen. The recommended daily allowance, RDA, means that what is basically the requirement of a normal person of a particular nutrient per day. So it is 130 grams per day. This is very important according to MCQ. And the carbohydrate reserve of human adult is 500 gram, another important MCQ. Then comes that in this paragraph the most important thing is that the processed starches have short glucose chain, whereas the starches which are raw, which are unprocessed, they have long glucose chains. Now they have told that what are basically the sources of carbohydrates. We know that carbohydrates are present in the form of small glucose, which are sugars, which are glucose, fructose, galactose, etc. They are found in milk and fruits, and they are found in the form of complex starches. Starches, we know that starches are available in cereals, nuts, vegetables, etc. And another important form is cellulose. Cellulose, we know it is present in fruits and vegetables and cereals, etc. All the sources are almost the same, but the type is different. Then comes the functions of carbohydrates. Basically, what are the functions of carbohydrates? We should know that it provides energy. Major function is energy. Then comes the metabolism of fat. Then comes the synthesis of ground substance like keratin, dermatan sulfates, chondroitin. We know that keratin is present in our nails and in our hairs. So the ground substance or the matrix of these keratin etc. are synthesized by carbohydrates. And next they have mentioned that they also synthesize some non-essential amino acids. Amino acids are needed to make proteins to so the amino acids which are synthesized by the body, which the body synthesizes, they are called as non-essential amino acids. So they are basically synthesized by carbohydrates. And again, glucose is needed for the brain function, so as it is the major source of energy. Then comes the deficiency of carbohydrates. Carbohydrate deficiency does not occur. It does not occur. Why? Because carbohydrates are present in almost all the foods. Then comes the effect of oral health of carbohydrates. This is a very important question.